Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. I am here to introduce my first environment. Now I think of this environment as a small sun porch. My plan for this environment is to make a log chair from some fallen tree limbs, a table inspired by a Victorian quilt stand, a rope and log lamp to accent the chair, a cat chair pod, an activity box to house hobbies or crafts. Hello buddy man. I'll be accessorizing this area with a quilted throw to match the tabletop, a hand-woven picnic basket, a ceramic pitcher with tumblers, and a slip-cast serving platter. Of course, I'll also be making some goodies to go into these things. If you have been with me for a while or are a maker yourself, then you know that some projects can take weeks, months, or even years to make. It's like camped out in front. If you have been with me for a while, then you know the trash goes by constantly. To keep things flowing, I am going to blend videos that I call basics in with the main projects. These basic videos will highlight tools, techniques, or even materials that I'm using in the main videos. Before I go, I'd like to thank all of you for your support over the past year. It's f***ing ridiculous, really. I mean, you know. I should just leave that in. I can't wait to go on this journey with you.
Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 ba.